This is Auto Alex's T25 camper that we've made it our mission to get it back on the road. Now in the previous episode, we got all of this majestically sprayed in white and the pop top as well, which was an absolute pain. But in this episode, hopefully we're going to get the outside of the car painted and then we can finally get it back together. Let's crack on. I do have quite a lot of prep work on Betty. There's a little bit of overspray on the actual body itself, so we just need to 500 all of this down, or 800, or we can scotch it, whichever we choose to do. And there are odds and ends. We've got to untape everything, and then we've got to retape everything for doing the outside, because we don't want to get any of the colour on the inside. We also are going to sand the doors down, so we've got primer on the doors, we've got a guide coat on there, so we need to sand them down and get them prepped, so then we can paint the body and the doors. Right, we have not done much talking in this episode yet because we've been going absolutely full ham, trying to get Betty ready for paint. Now Betty's so big, right, that there's just so much to rub down. I've been rubbing Betty everywhere with my bare hands, and so is Steve, and so is Jenny, and so is my dad, and so is my Uncle Richard, trying to get Betty across the line and ready for paint. So we've got all of this taped up, and we've got just the front to tape up, but that's about it. We're just doing final preparations on the doors, and yeah, it's absolutely mental. I'm probably covered in filler dust and everything, so I need to make sure I got my overalls on when we do paint. But speaking about paint, we need to ring someone because I'm hopefully going to get in contact with Auto Alex so he can reveal his paint colour on Betty. So obviously you can see all the inside was white from the previous episode, and the roof is also white as well, but on the outside it's going a very special colour. So let's get on the phone to Alex and hopefully get a video call going and see what colour, if I can get my phone out, see what colour he wants to paint Betty.
Hey up, Brian, how do?
Hey up, lad, how's it going?
Not too bad, just chilling in the garden. I've been at Brands Hatch today on a motorbike track day and I'm knackered.
Oh really? Oh, very nice.
I'm missing a beer.
Missing a bit? You are actually missing a beer, yeah. You've got a very good backdrop. Actually, I like that it's a nice day because here it's actually nice and sunny too, so.
Oh wow, I thought it'd be dark where you are.
Yes, no, not quite. We are far up north, but yeah, we're not that far. If you notice.
Yeah. Oh, that's Betty.
That is Betty.
She's in the paint booth.
Yes, she is. Look at Betty in all of her glory. Now, if you see, she's all nice and taped up, and the inside is actually already painted.
Gloss white, right?
Yes, gloss white. Yes, it looks really nice. And behind me, as I walk past Steve, who is still here, absolutely.
Hey up, Steve.
Now then, you all right?
Absolutely killing it.
Not too bad.
You could see.
Oh wow.
Oh yes.
Oh wow. That's beautiful gloss, isn't it? It looks wet.
Oh yes, it's actually really nice. Steve's done a fantastic job, as usual.
Oh, well done, Steve.
As he normally does. Well done, Steve. There you go. See? You see? Right. So, my reason for calling Mr. Auto Alex is because we are almost ready to paint Betty. Now, just a couple of little odds and ends to do, but I would like you to reveal, if you may, the colour that Betty is going to be painted.
Ryan, I'd be very, very happy to. And the colour that Betty is going to be painted by the guys at Yorkshire Car Restoration is liquid yellow. The Renault Sport colour, the one that you'll see on Meganes and Clios, I think. It is a fantastic yellow colour.
Yes.
And I think it's important to keep Betty yellow, but just like a nice modern twist.
Yes, and like a pain in the bum to paint as well.
Yeah, sorry. It's a few stages, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a 3-stage pearlescent sort of colour. So you've got like a straight ground coat, and then you've got like a semi-translucent like pearlescent coat, and then you've got the top coat on there. So it's like nine coats. So Steve loves it, don't you?
I do love it.
He loves it. He loves it.
He loves it. He does love it. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, amazing. Yeah. So when are you getting started?
So we're doing final preparations. We're waiting for a pizza. We're going to chow down on a pizza first because it is yes, tonight. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So you'll finish it tonight and you'll upload the video tonight, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Just like that last episode that you saw.
I saw that. Yeah, that was a one-day turnaround, wasn't it?
Yes, that was absolutely crazy. But yeah, it's I'm looking at the clock now. It's 11 minutes past 8, right? We're going to chow down on a pizza, and we're probably going to start painting at 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock-ish, yeah.
Man,
Yeah.
you guys are animals.
Yeah, so we're going to do that, and yeah, we'll probably finish really late, but Betty is looking superb.
Oh, I can't wait. I really can't wait.
Absolutely superb.
Send me pictures. Whatever you have, at whatever time, please send me pictures.
Yeah.
She's going to look amazing.
It may be at like 3 o'clock in the morning, if that's all right.
I'll stay up.
We're just...
I'll tell you what, let's just stay on the line.
It's good. That's a fantastic idea. Yeah. That'll be the longest video ever, that.
Yeah. It will be, yeah. No, but yeah, fair play, and thank you again for taking Betty on.
Yes.
This is now the last bit.
This is the last bit, yeah. So all that we need to do is flatten, polish, and put back together, and then she's done. And yeah,
Jobs are good.
we could, what do you reckon about revealing the car as well?
So we actually have a show that you're coming to, which is Food and Fuel on the 21st of September at Shelsley Walsh. We've got, I think, 100 spaces for hill climbs, and I would love to reveal Betty there. And maybe you and I could be in Betty, revealing it up the hill.
Yeah.
At like 10 miles an hour.
That sounds good, mate. Sounds good to me.
Is that all you're good for at the moment before the 1.9 PD stop?
Oh dear. Oh, fantastic, mate.
Yeah.
You'll have to think about interiors now.
I do, yeah. I want to make that nice and modern as well. I want like seats with ISOFIX because I have a daughter now.
Yeah.
And I want to start enjoying Betty for adventures.
Yes, exactly.
So,
There you go.
Super excited.
Well,
super excited.
yeah, we're one step closer to it, so hopefully we'll get this
Yeah.
painted tonight, and me and Steve will just absolutely crash out. Steve might sleep in his van.
Yeah, I might do.
Yeah, he's going to sleep in his van. So yeah.
Fair. No, I really appreciate it, guys.
Yep, awesome. Well, thank you very much. Sorry for disturbing you, and we'll get some paint mixed.
So good.
And we'll,
Absolutely. No. I appreciate the phone call, Ryan.
awesome. Cheers, Alex.
All right. Have a good evening.
Thank you,
Enjoy
mate.
pizza.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
Cheers, guys. Bye.
Right, third time we're doing it. My mic keeps switching off. We are just getting the first coat on, and Steve says it's 10:05. So let's absolutely smash it and get this painted. Right, we finished painting Betty at 2:30 in the morning. Now, we left the unit at 3 o'clock because we had to clean all the guns out, but Betty is finally painted in the Resto liquid yellow, which Auto Alex actually chose. Now, this is a 3-stage paint, and it's actually got 9 layers, 3 layers of each stage, so it's got 9 layers in total. So it took us about 4.5 to 5 hours to actually paint the car, but it's done now and it's turned out absolutely amazing. So what we need to do now is we need to flatten polish the car to make it all nice and majestic, because we are actually taking this car to Wheels Up North, which is this coming Sunday. If you haven't got your tickets, make sure to get them to see Betty in the flesh, and we're going to go full ham to try and get Betty back together in the next episode. So do catch us in that next episode. Do like, subscribe, it is free, and get us on social media, Instagram and Facebook. It is all free. It really does help us out. And in the meantime, we're going to continue on Betty, and hopefully we'll get ready for the show. We'll see you there.